One of my favourite vegetables is cauliflower, and this is how to make it crunchy. This is crunchy cauliflower. And to make this, you will need 1 head of cauliflower, you'll need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of mustard, a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon of taco mix or your favourite spice. And the first thing you need to do is get that big beautiful cauliflower and chop it up into little pieces like this, little florets, so that you can kind of see where they break off and you just kind of snap them off to where you think that they are good little florets. Then pop them here, and now we're going to make our bits to make them all crunchy. Take your egg, crack it into a bowl, and then add your mustard in, just a tiny bit, and then we will mix that all together like this. While we're doing this, preheat your oven to 180 degrees as well, as we'll be baking these to make it a little bit healthier. Then take your breadcrumbs, I've got panko breadcrumbs, and my taco mix, and we will just mix that together as well. Then have a tray at the ready. Take your fork, kind of stick one in the cauliflower, coat it all around the egg, make sure it's nice and coated, and then pop it in the breadcrumbs, roll it round, and then gently take it off and pop it on your tray like that. And then you do that for the whole thing. You go around, cover it all up. This is really fun to do with your friends or your family because there's so many steps that you can do. And just keep going and going and going until the whole thing, all the cauliflower is used up. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, pop it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're kind of crunchy and golden brown. And something you will need to do is turn them halfway through so they get golden on both sides. And when they come out of the oven, they look like this. How cool. So they're nice and crispy. And a tip to make them even more crispy if you want to is just before you pop them in the oven, give them a light kind of dust or stroke with oil with a paintbrush like this if you want, and that'll make them super, super crispy. And that is what they look like. A little bit of salt and pepper to finish. Those are tasty, they are amazing, and a healthy snack too. Food for Thought is in schools all over New Zealand teaching Kiwis how to make sure that the food we eat gives us the best energy and vitamins for the whole family. And it's free thanks to New World. Remember to share the photos of your Food for Thought cooking creations and recipes to be in to win a VIP trip to meet me and the Fanimals whānau. All the details are on our website.